We're coming into this silly season now. Christmas is fast approaching. So in this video, I want to show you how you can get yourself up and running and selling in Amazon right here in Australia in the gift giving niche. Now, if you like this kind of content where I'm showing you how to make money on Amazon, whether that's here in Australia or indeed right around the world, be sure to like this video. That way I will know that you want to see more information like this. Also consider subscribing to my YouTube channel because we post brand new money making information each and every day. If you've got any questions for me or comments, comment below and I'll be sure to answer that personally for you too. With that being said, let's get into it. How to sell gifts on Amazon. Let's do that. If you've got any questions, chime in, okay? Here we're going to start with this though. So the first thing you've got to figure out is, what the fuck are you going to sell? What the hell are you going to sell? What particular niche are you going to go after? Okay, so the easiest way of doing that is to come along to Amazon and see what Amazon tells you of hot niches within that gift giving niche. And the easiest way of doing that is just to use the Amazon search, the autocomplete search. Yeah, we're going to talk about Canton Fair. So how do you do that? Well, you just start typing. Pretty simple. Gift for so. That's, I'm sure you've all been through that. I'm sure you've all looked at that, but maybe you've never really thought about what that means for have that list like that. So what that means is that Amazon sorts that list, so gift for men, gift for women, gift for her, gift for girls, sorts that in terms of the most searched for thing. Okay, so with therefore gift for men being the most searched for thing on amazon.com.au. Okay, so if you're looking for the thing what's got the highest potentiality of sales, then that's a very, very easy way of seeing what's got the most potential for most sales. And in this instance, it's gift for men, gift for dudes. So that's a pretty simple way of doing that. And then you probably think, okay, well, you've got to get down and niche a little bit more into that. And so there's two ways you can do that. This is a little bit slower way of doing it. So gift for men, and then kind of just see what is presented after that. Well, that's kind of cool. You could do gift for men A, and you would have all seen all that. Gift for men B, and see what comes up. And again, that's all sorted in terms of sales volume, and you can use that super easy strategy for heaps of different things on Amazon. And of course, if you start thinking that through, it also gives you different ideas about how you can do naughty stuff on Amazon, but I'm not allowed to talk about that because I get my YouTube account shut down. Hello there, this is Neil-Asher from the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We are the largest community of Amazon entrepreneurs right here in Australia, over 2,500 members and growing with sales of over $50 million. If you'd like to find out more about what we do and how we can help you build your own money-making business on Amazon, get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au and I'll see you in there.